Hello everyone, welcome to Chemazon-Complete Chemistry. So in today's video, we are going to see this question based on oxymercuration-demercuration that I had asked a few days ago, that I had posted a few days ago. So in oxymercuration-demercuration, we know which molecule is added, water is added. Okay, water is added across the double bond by following which rule? Markovnikov's rule. And what is Markovnikov's rule? Markovnikov's rule states that the negative part of the reagent, here oxygen is more electronegative, this is less electronegative. So negative part is OH minus. So here OH minus should be added at the carbon with less hydrogens, that is directly attached to less hydrogen. That means it is more substituted carbon of which carbon? Of the alkene. More substituted carbon of the carbon-carbon double bond. Now here if you see, this carbon is already forming 3 bonds, so it has 1 hydrogen. Here this has 2 hydrogen because it is forming 2 bonds. So this has 1 hydrogen, that is less hydrogen. Here there are more hydrogens. So negative part you might have added OH at this position, and suppose you have marked the correct answer as option B, then your answer will be incorrect. Okay, why this is like this, that we have to see now. Why option B is incorrect? So it is very important. I'll remove this. So it is very important that you understand the mechanism of the reaction. So first step is what? First step is we are doing oxymercuration reaction. Okay, we are doing oxymercuration. So what happens in oxymercuration reaction? Okay, there is this alkene pi bond, so it is electron rich. So it will react with HgOAc. This is more electronegative, this is less electronegative. So this will attack here. One as OAc, that is acetate group, will be going away as a good leaving group. Okay, so what we will get is, we will get a 3-membered intermediate, just like we get in bromination reaction of alkene. Okay, so this is a 3-membered ring that is formed. Now the second reagent is very important, that is methanol. It is not water. Okay, if it was water, then the answer B would have been correct. But here methanol is given. So what will happen? Methanol will now act as a nucleophile. So now the question is, from where should I break this bond? Okay, suppose if I break this bond, I will get a carbocation here. This is less stable primary carbocation. So this will not break. Which bond will break is this one. Okay, this bond will break and its electrons will be given to mercury. Okay, so what will happen? And why this bond break? Because a secondary carbocation is formed, electrons were transferred to mercury. So now oxygen has a lone pair. So this will attack here. What we get is O, CH3, H, oxygen still has one lone pair, positive charge. Okay, and here there is HgOAc group. Okay, so now what will happen? ACO minus that we had removed, okay, it will now abstract this proton and oxygen will get its lone pair, and what will be removed is acetic acid, ACOH will be removed, and what we will get is HgOAc. Here there is OCH3 that is attached, methoxy group. Okay, so oxymercuration is completed. Why this is called oxymercuration? Oxy meaning oxygen. Okay, OAc group is added and mercury. Mercury and oxygen both are added. That is why it's called oxymercuration. Now the next step is what? Next step is demercuration. Okay, so what happens in demercuration? We are reacting with NaBH4. This is demercuration. D means to remove something. We say dehydration. Dehydration means removal of water. Okay, hydration means addition of water. Dehydration means removal of water. Similarly, mercuration means addition of mercury. Demercuration means removal of mercury. So we know NaBH4 donates H minus ion, hydride donor. So it will attack here. HgOAc will go away as a good leaving group. So the final product is OCH3. This is the final product. Okay, 2-methoxybutane. So the correct answer will be what? Correct answer will be option D. I hope you have understood the reason. The only difference apart from the regular reaction was here instead of water, now it has given, they have given methanol. Now instead of methanol they can change and they can give, let's say, ethanol. So you have to check the reagents very carefully and accordingly you have to write the product. I hope you have understood the mechanism of the reaction. Thank you.